even in Victoria and East Gippsland, which is renowned for its outstanding conservation values. These are some of the last and most precious places left on the planet.
I feel really lucky because the fires from 2019-20 burnt around this area. And we were scared this area was the biggest tract of cool temperate rainforest on mainland Australia, and because the climate's been drying, we didn't know if the rainforest could hold anymore, but it did.
And you can see by the topography, just down over here, where the cursor is, it just gets ridiculously steep. So I reckon we walk to the edge of that.
You just get from the road into the rainforest, and suddenly you get covered completely by it. It's a different smell, it's a different light, it's a different sound.
The rainforest is Gondwanic. It has Gondwanic elements like sassafras. It's like just having something from back in time that's been evolving for tens of millions of years.
Yeah, they're sort of windows into the past, in a way. You don't only feel small in size, you also feel small in time. I'm fine. We're just kind of this speck that's here for a few moments, you know.
Me sentí que me metía muy adentro como de la tierra, ¿sabes? Sí, no sé, es algo como dentro de la naturaleza, como muy adentro, como en su corazón, y como uno de estos viajes psicodélicos pero sin nada, sin ninguna estimulación así, ¿no? Nada. Muchas horas ahí adentro y nunca me sentí cansado, nunca aburrido, ¿no?
The sooty owl, that was incredible. I hadn't seen an animal like that before, and it was like a fairy tale. My worries just kind of melted away.
Every time you do a long walk through an area like that, see some, plant that you've maybe never seen flowering, or like you didn't notice it, or you saw, patches of things that are uncommon, to think about the things that we have and the things we lost along the way, like, it just makes me appreciate it.
As we walked up the mountain away from the creek where the rainforest was really thick,
we saw cool temperate mixed forest, which is a really rare forest type now, where you get rainforest species and eucalypt species,
and we were suddenly surrounded by these giant mountain ash trees that are many metres across and in excess of probably 50 metres tall. It's hard to not feel humbled, and it just makes me feel connected to the world.